First, draw a line, mark a point A on it. Mark a point A on it. Okay. Second point, mark a point B on the line drawn such that AB equal to 9.3 centimeter. AB equal to 9.3 centimeter. AB equal to 9.3 centimeter. Okay. 3. Mark a point C. Mark a point C. Mark a point C on AB produced produced such that BC equal to 1 unit. BC equal to 1 centimeter. BC equal to 1 unit or 1 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Then next step, taking O as center. Wait. Then next step, draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Don't do anything, just write the steps only. Okay. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Sad, you late, then you're asking to repeat it. What? You came late. Then next one, taking draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Let O in the midpoint of AC. 1 minute. One minute. Okay. So look at here. Okay, O is the midpoint of what you wrote. O is the midpoint of AC. Then next step, taking O as center, and OC equal to OA. OC equal to OA as radius. Draw a semicircle. Okay. Next, from B, draw perpendicular bisector. From B or through B, right? Through B, draw perpendicular to OB. Which intersect the semicircle at D. Okay. Now last step. Taking B as center, BD as radius, draw an arc, cutting OC produced at E. Then the point E, so obtained represent root of 9.3. Okay. Look at here now. Listen. I'll read again the steps. See, some guys, Nazarene, you came late. Saad, late. Now you're asking repeat and all. You should have correct. Next class onwards, if it is 2 o'clock, Saturday 1 o'clock, 1, I close the, I lock the room. So no one can end. Clear now? Even 1 also I want Saturday 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 I'll close it. Then you cannot enter it. Okay. So this is Saad Nazarene every day. Your every day is irregular. Okay, regularly irregular. Okay, I'll give the steps now again. Look at here. Hello. Steps again. Okay. What is the problem? Lohida is here. Meeting ID. What is the problem? Same meeting ID only. Okay. Listen, we started at 1:45. By the time, why can't you try to log in? The last moment at 2 o'clock, trying and don't. Okay. Listen here. Step number 1. Again, I'll give the steps. Okay. Step number 1. Look at here. Step number 1. After that, I'll show how to draw it. Draw a line. Mark a point A on it. Mark a point on it. Agree or not? Right? Okay. Then step number 2. Mark a point B on the line. Mark a point B on the line drawn in. Mark a point B on the line such that AB equal to 9.3 centimeter. You just write, then I'll explain it. 9.3 centimeter. So second line, mark a point B on the line such that AB equal to 9.3 centimeter. Then step 2. Step number 3. Mark a point C on AB produced such that BC equal to 1 unit. Once again, mark a point C on AB produced such that BC equal to 1 unit. Okay. Now step number 4. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Draw. Step number 3. Again, mark a point C on AB produced such that BC equal to 1 unit. Okay. You just write, then I'll give the steps. Okay. Then step number 4. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC, not BC, AC. Okay, let continue, same step. Let O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Okay. Step number 5. Taking O as center. Taking O as center and OC equal to OA. OC equal to OA as radius. OC equal to OA as radius. OC equal to OA as radius. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay. Step number 6. Through B, draw a line perpendicular to OB. Through B, draw a line perpendicular to OB, which intersect the semicircle. At D. Okay. Now, step number is what? 7? 6 or 7? Hello. Step number 6. Okay. Now 7. Taking B as center. Taking B as center. Taking B as center BD as radius. Okay. 7. Taking B as center. Taking B as center. Step number 6. What? 6 is what? 6 is taking O as center. Oh, that is 5. Taking O as center. OC equal to OA as radius. Draw a semicircle which intersect the circle. Intersect the semicircle. Next step. Step number 6. I read again. Step number 6. Listen. Through B, draw a line perpendicular to OB. Through B, draw a line perpendicular to OB, which intersect the semicircle at D. Which intersect the semicircle at D. Okay. Step number 7. Taking B as center. Taking B as center. Taking B as center. BD as radius. BD as radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Cutting OC produced. Cutting OC produced at E. Cutting OC produced at E. Okay, that is OE equal to, that is, right, E is a point, E represents the point root of 9.3. E represents the point root of 9.3. Okay, now listen here. Look, okay, now we'll write now, we'll see the steps. Look at here now, on. Don't just listen, don't write anything, okay? Don't type anything, just listen first. Okay, first of all, draw a line. Listen all, don't type anything now. I don't want to see any, okay? Look, first step is what? Draw a line. Okay, first step is what? Draw a line. Okay, so then mark a point here, A. First step, okay or not? First step is Halima, what I told you, listen here, don't type nothing now. Then why ask you step number 7 and don't? Right? What I told you, listen here first. Okay, I don't want to see any comments now. Okay, look at here. First, draw a line. Then we finish. Right? A big line. Okay, that is our. Now you read the read your steps. Draw a line and mark a point A on it. Okay. Then next one, mark a point B on the line such that AB equal 9.3. You take the scale 9.3 centimeter. B here. That means this length is 9.3 centimeter. A to B with the scale normal scale 9.3 centimeter. Don't take inch. Don't fit. Are you okay now? First mark A, then with the scale 9.3 centimeter. Is it okay now? Clear or up to here? Okay. Okay. This is our step number 2. Then step number 3. Take one more point here. BC 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Okay. BC is 1 centimeter. Okay. Listen. You can do step number 2 and 3 together with the scale 9.3, 10.3. You mark it. That's better. Are you okay? Agree with that plan? Because we need 9.3 plus 1 centimeter. So 9.3, then 10.3. Suppose if you want to draw 8, suppose you want to draw root 8. 8, then 1. That means 9. 8 and 8 is B, 9 is C, like that. Are you okay? That plan understood or not? Okay. Suppose you want to draw root of 6.5. 6.5, mark it, then 7.5. Finish. That means step number 2 and 3 together. Okay. Now, next step, careful. Next step, listen here. What is that step? Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. What will do? Take the compass. Hello, take the compass. Take more than half here. Make an arc here, big arc here. From here arc, from here arc. Understood now? From here, make an arc like this. That same arc down also. From here, down an arc. Then join this one. This point is so. You did before. You studied how to draw perpendicular bisector in class 8. Did you study or not? Okay, so you can draw that one. Okay, draw perpendicular bisector of. Draw the perpendicular. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC, not AB. Okay. Then next step is what? Through O center, OA is radius. That means here it comes almost okay. Here draw a semicircle like this. Here semicircle like this. Read the steps. O as center, OA, OB, OA and OC. OA and OC as radius, draw a semicircle. Okay, this step understood? This step okay or not? Listen. Keep the compass here first, that sharpened. And you take like this, compass. See, then draw a circle like this. Okay. Then next step is what? From B. Okay, last step is what? O as center. O as center. OC or equal to OA. That means still the compass keep it here like this. Okay, this length, a big semicircle. O as center. You increase the width of the compass till reach C. OC equal to OA. Draw a semicircle. Okay, next. Last step is what? Through B, draw perpendicular. You can use protractor or compass. That's up to you. Like this. Draw perpendicular. That means if the with the protractor, guys, just keep the protractor and draw. Otherwise, arc here, it will come like this. Which intersect at D. Okay. Which intersect at D. Okay, then next. Okay, last line. Taking B as okay, taking B as center, BD as radius. Okay, then take this one. Look, this length. This length take and draw like this. So that means here this point is E. So we can say BD equal to BE equal to root of 9.3. Look, listen here. This one compass mark like this. BD equal to BE equal to 9.3. Okay, now you try draw this one and send me. Not all. Some guys send it. Then I'll explain here. Okay, but read the steps of construction. Okay, read the steps, then draw one by one. Okay, start first. You start, Angelina, you start first, the last, when you reach last step, I tell you, start something. Everything in the note is there. Can you measure that BD how much? Just measure. No need. Listen. No need to send it. Just measure. Just measure that. You just measure the scale. Root of 9.3. How much? Don't send it. Don't send it now. You just measure first. How much you got? Root of 9.3. Exactly 3 centimeter? No, it is not. Almost 3. More than 3. Yeah, 3.1. Okay, 3.1. Okay, 3.1, 3.2. How, Dinesh? Hello, Dinesh. How you got 3.12? You have a special scale like this? How, J? 3.05. How you find out? 2.9 is wrong. I'm sorry, 2.9 is wrong. 3.1. Okay, because look at here. You can check your calculator, no? Root 9.3. How much? It is how much the calculator value is showing? I'm asking you the 3.0. Okay, 3.1. Okay, 3.1 enough. Not 2.9. No chance 2.9. 2.9, guys, you are draw again. Okay. Read the hello. Naishi, you read what BCI gave already. Check the steps of conception. Don't ask me such a question. Stupid questions. Read. What is the BCI gave already? Which step? In that you read it. Okay. I do not it is all approximately 3.1. That's enough. Okay. Okay. So now, are you okay now? Who all asked doubts? Clear or not? Those who are doubt, just read the steps of construction and try. Okay, finished now. So we'll try another question. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Can you just for a test trial? Okay. Just for a trial. Okay. You have doubt. What are the steps? 5. Step 5 is what? I don't have step now. Last step. Okay. Look at here. Okay. Any other doubts? Tell me what is the last step? You explain what is that. 5th step. I don't have a book now. Okay. Listen here. Once again. So the steps. Look at here. I'll show again. Okay. See, first draw a line. First draw a line. Okay. Then mark a point A here. Then AB. Listen. Step number 1, draw a line and mark a point A. Step number 2, AB, mark a point B. This is 9.3 centimeter. Step number 3, mark again 1 centimeter extra. C, 1 centimeter. Okay. Next step, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Keep the compass here. More than arc. Here arc. Here arc. Here arc. Class 7 you studied. This point is O. Next step, O as center. Draw OA equal to OC as radius. Draw a semicircle. That will like this. It comes exactly touch here and here. Okay. Next step, through B, draw a line, perpendicular line. You can use compass or protractor. Just perpendicular. This you should feel this is 90 degrees. So this here is D. Okay. Last step. Here B as center, BD as radius, like this. Draw an arc. Okay. So then we can write BD equal to BE equal to root of 9.3. Okay. Clear now? 3.3 wrong. Your Pranav, what is the A and C? A and C are connecting. What does it mean? A and C connecting what? Show me, Pranav, that picture. Send me now. Pranav, send me that. Those who have a problem, only send it. There is Pranav. Send now. Where is Pranav? Send it now. Okay. So look at here now. Pranav, your picture, where is D? You didn't mark D. No D. Then how you can find out? This is C, man. I told you C, no. The steps, in steps it is C. How come D is marked at 1 centimeter? Here is C, here is D. That as per our steps. Okay. Others. Okay. Now, just for a test, we'll try one question. Okay. We come to know exactly what the answer. Listen here. You have space till what is the last step? I didn't understand last step. Rishi, you take the keep the compass like this. You see, take BD as radius. You have compass with you. Keep the compass on B. Other end is on D. Okay. Then mark it like this. Okay. So now look at here. Listen here. You have this. You have a big. You horizontally make it paper. Okay. Because we are trying one question. Root of 16. So 17 centimeter we need. Your scale, it will fit, right? No? It will fit or not. Okay, so look at here. 70 not fit? Hey, come on. It will fit. You keep horizontally your book. Okay, horizontally it will fit. So what book you are using? It will fit. Okay. Justification not required for this one. Okay. No need justification for this one. The proof is there. Okay, but no need justification now. Because okay, it's not required for you. Okay. So okay. Anyway, whether it is horizontally or vertically, you try. Okay. It's a trial question. Okay. Look, root of 16. Actually, answer is what? Root of 16 is what? 4. So when you draw, listen, when you draw, it will, you'll get exactly 4, you will get it. Okay. You'll get exact 4. If not 4, something wrong. So you draw again. Okay, try now that. With the steps, you draw. With the all steps, you draw first. Okay. Because we don't want to draw root of 16 because you know root of 16 is 4. So just for a trial, try now. Root of 16. Root of 16. Root of 16. I don't know. Now I won't answer it. You check the previous steps and do it. Then who will do? Ayush. Then who will do? I'll work out for you. Ayush. Ayush. Come on, answer me, man. Then who will do? Okay, you don't do it. Okay, you sleep there. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Not need to send. If not getting 4, only send. If not getting 4 centimeter, only I want to see. Rest all keep with you. Yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm not going to explain here. You did 9.3. Then what? How you did 9.3? Read the steps and work out it. 9.3 you send me. Now you're asking how to do root of 16? No, you try. Those not getting exactly 4, tell me. I'll tell you. Okay. Anyone have issues without those who got 4.5 to 3.5, 3.8, 3.9? Okay. 3.9? Okay. 4.1? Okay. No problem. Okay. 4 point, that is okay, sir. No problem. Okay. But don't, someone ask you, don't say 4.1. Okay. But don't say I suggested like that. It is 4. Okay. Maybe some, oh, 4.7. Hey, Manasi, 4.7. I want to see. Manasi, 4.7. I want to see. That is wrong. Okay. Who this one? This guy, Arsagan. I want to see the that I want to see. Arsagan, I want to see. Okay. Those not getting listen. 3.9, 4.1, all okay, no problem. But more than that, 4.7, not reaching the other point and all. Okay. Manasi, are you sure? The problem is here, the BD is not perpendicular, exactly perpendicular. Second thing, are you sure it is 16 centimeter? Are you sure it is 16 centimeter? Check that one. Check BC equal to 1 centimeter. Then it will be corrected. Okay. Next, who that? 4.3, to check. Here, this one, Nishi. Nishi, who that is the name Nishi, right? No? You type your name also. Okay, Naishi. The problem is your BC not 1 centimeter. 1 minute, 1 minute coming now. Okay. Okay, so it's okay now. Okay, can hear or not? Can hear? Picture okay? Okay. Look at here. So now, okay, the problem is this one. Actually, it is it's not exactly perpendicular. Not BC. I feel it is not 1 centimeter. It's very close. That's the reason. Okay. Any other particular reasons? Okay. Uh, Pranav. Pranav. Who is Pranav Raj? You sent last one. You sent no. Last one is sent. And how you send that? That Pranav, same Pranav. Pranav V Raj. What's the name? Last one you sent, right? Pranav. Then how you are telling now? How you did then? Somebody working for you? Tell me the name, your name. Then I'll tell you. Okay. Listen, Pranav Raj. You sent last question. Pranav Raj, last question you sent. I checked only problem D only. Now you are telling you didn't get the concept. What's the meaning? I can explain to you, no issue. But you last question you did. No, you did last question. Only problem is not D. That's only issue. Now we are telling no concept. What's the meaning that somebody did for you? Okay, look at here now. I'll show this one. Listen here. This one I just want to know whether to check. Okay, whether you're getting exactly answer. Look at here now. Look, all same steps only. Look at here. Those who are doubt. Okay, and listen. First, you draw a big line. Okay, a big line. Okay, then A here. It is root of 16. So 16 here. C up to here. This one. This length is 16 centimeter. Then sorry B. Then C 1 centimeter. That means 17 centimeter length we required. Are you okay? For all doubt up to here, okay? Okay, listen. This Marsuk, what are you asking me the question? This is your second question. Okay. Instead of look, you read the our steps. You take first A to this marking. You can see no A to B 16 centimeter, B to C 1 centimeter. Total is 17 centimeter. Okay. That everyone okay up to here? Step 1 and 2 over now. Are you okay, everyone? Pranav. Okay, that means once again, look at here. Once again, first here A, B, this is 16 centimeter. Here C, 1 centimeter. Okay. Then step number 3, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. It is quite difficult here, compass, very big one. Arc here, arc here, arc here. So this point is O. That means exactly 8.5 centimeter. Here 8 point, this part OC 8.5, here also 8 point. It's a midpoint. This step okay or not? Now, this step okay or not? Come on, fast. Okay, then now keep a compass here. The compass here, this length, OC or OA, draw a circle. It will touch exactly C and A. It should touch at C and A. C then and A should exactly touch. Are you okay? That step okay? Your compass cannot reach 17. It's not my issue. That's why I told you whether fit or not. This is just for a trial to understand whether you're getting exactly 4 or not. Okay. Up to here, okay or not? Now, draw with the protractor, draw perpendicular, exactly perpendicular. Now, this point is D. Then take the compass here, make an arc like this. E. Then when you measure BD equal to BE, you will get 4 centimeter. If you get 4 centimeter exactly, okay, 4.1, 3.9, 3.9, you adjust it equal to 4 centimeter, but not 4.3. Without drawing down, how you can draw perpendicular bisector? If you draw down on, if you draw, look at here. If you draw the top only, it can be this way. It will go. To draw without arc on the down, we cannot draw perpendicular bisectors. That check the class 7 book. 4.7 is wrong, man. How come others root of 16 is 4.7? Use your common sense. Okay. So now check the steps and work out another question. Who told you this 8.5 centimeter? It is here, this length. OA is the radius. OA is the radius, it can be 8.5 because 8.5 plus 8.5, 17. That's only. Okay, now, right. Draw root of 4.5. Root of 4.5 on the, this is the last question, then construction over. Then I have to finish some other question also. Root of 4.5 on the number line. Root of 4.5 on the number line. 4.5 on the number line. Okay, try now. Okay. Root of 4.5, Gautam. Root of 4.5. Okay. Okay. So how much you'll get 4.5? Don't need to send it. Don't send it. Okay. Root of 4.5, how much? you'll get 2.1, right? 2.1 will get, yeah, 2.1 to 2.1, 2.1, 2 point, okay, 2.1, 2.2, okay, no problem, okay. Okay, so 2.1 exactly answer. 2.2 also no problem. 2.3 little bit problems, okay? Because it's very careful, even 1 milli also problems, okay? I hope now clear this one, right? Aparna, you got or not? Aparna, still here? Aparna, new student. Aparna, you got? Where is Aparna? Okay. Hey, Aparna, where is Aparna? Yeah, you got 2.1. Okay, listen, Aparna, you have a lot of things to do. 1 month pending is there, but not need that much fast because since your school started another chapter, so slowly use it. You take your time. I sent you yesterday class 1 portions. You learn and work out. Then tell me, I'll send you another class. Then actually also to finish it something, right? The latecomers complete, I think 11 classes there is. Okay, all the latecomers, only Ansil only finish all. Lohita not finish. Mohit not yet finish. Akshara finish. I don't know whether finished 11 assignment there is. Okay, because this is a very big chapter. See, come on, we took 1 month full. We took and one full book over now. Maybe anyone have idea how many questions we finish total? Anyone have your paper, your book sequence? How many questions? 250. Yeah, 250, 260 questions. Okay, now look at here. This is finished now. 2.1. Okay. Root of 2. You write just 2 point root of 4.5 is equal. That's only enough. Don't you write exact answer. Don't write answer. Okay. Don't write the answer. You'll be in trouble. You just write root of BD. BD equal to BE equal to 4.5. Okay. Look at here. But some schools, listen. Some school what they do. Listen here. Hello. Some schools one more step they do. After getting this one, they have to write number line like this. A number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3. Then this same length they keep it here like this. They mark here. So that means OA equal to root of 4.5 like that. They do like this. Maybe some classes in DPS do like this. After getting this one, again draw a number line and mark on that. That means here take this one and keep on the number line. That's only. Okay. So now look at here. We have to finish it one last class point. Okay, close your geometry box and everything. Okay. Everything close. How is the voice today? I did something. It's clear or today? Because last class you said some problem there was. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, tomorrow onwards you'll get little more wide range. Look at it. I got one new one here now. This one just now my friend wrote. Okay, it's wide range. Okay, so write the question now. Write the questions. Now close Shahan. I won't explain now. I explained here 9.3. I explained 16. I explained. Now you're asking 4.2. Explain what the meaning. I didn't understand what you are telling. You did 9.3, right? You did 16. Now you are telling 4.5. Did you write the steps or not? Did you write the steps? Yes. Read the steps and draw it. Read the steps, each one by one steps you read, and okay, and check the video. I'll send you the video. So okay, no problem. I'll send you a video so we can check again what is going on there. Clear? Okay, now. Okay, I'll send you the video so then we can reload that particular part. Okay, now listen here. Write the first. Give an example. Give an example. Give an example. Right. Tomorrow's test. Listen here. Tomorrow's test is at 9 o'clock. Easy portion only. Only construction plus which is greater, right? Ascending order, descending order. That part only. Clear now? Listen out. The test portion only, which is less than, which is greater than, and all. Okay. Not full. Maybe I'll ask like this: write in ascending order or descending order plus the constructions. Okay. Now write. Give an example. Give an example. Give. Okay, I'm writing now. Give an example. Each two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. 1 minute. Okay. Two rational numbers whose difference is a rational number. Whose difference is a rational number. Whose difference is a rational number. Once again, two irrational number. Listen, two irrational numbers. Two irrational number. Their difference is two irrational numbers. Their difference is a rational number. Okay, did you check what is rational, what is irrational? Okay, then write two irrational number. Listen, two irrational number. Their difference is two irrational number. Their difference is rational number. No, Lohida, that is wrong. It is wrong. You said what? 2 root of 11 and 2 root 2. What? 2 root 11 minus 2 root 2 what? Okay. 2 root 11, we cannot do anything. Okay. So look at here. I'll give an example. Listen. 10 plus root 3, comma 4 plus root 3. What is this? 10 plus root 3 and 4 plus root 3. What is that? 10 plus 4 root 3 minus of 4 plus root 3. That is 10 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 minus root 3. Cancel. 10 plus root 3. Root 3 only. Root 3 cancel. 10 minus 4 is 6. Like this. Okay. Clear or not? Okay. Give you write your own another example. You write another example. Okay, you write another example. Any example you can write. Okay. Like 2 root 3. Listen, 2 plus root 3, comma 5 plus root 3, or 7 plus root 10, comma root 10. Correct or no? 7 plus root 10, comma root 10. Subtracting it will go. Okay. Next one. Right. Sum is a rational number. So that, okay. Yeah. Next one. Sum of, right. Sum of two irrational number is rational number. Sum of two irrational numbers is rational numbers. What is that? Sum of two irrational number. Same thing you can take 2 plus root 3, comma 2 minus root 3. When you add 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. We want rational or irrational. Our question is what? Rational or irrational? We want. Sum of two irrational is rational. Correct or no? Yes. Then okay. Answer is 4. Okay, listen. Careful listen. The first question was the sum of, the difference of two irrational is rational. Second question, the sum of two irrational is rational. Okay. Now, third question, sum of two irrational is irrational. Sum of two irrational is irrational. Sum of two irrational number is irrational. What is that? Sum of two irrational is irrational. What is that? Can you give an example? Okay, come on, write fast. Root 2. Yes, root 2 comma root, don't add it. Root 2 comma root 2. Or right? Root 2 comma 7 root 2. Root 2 and 7 root 2. Like that. Okay. Then difference of, next question. Difference of two irrational is irrational. 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 We can write 10 root 3 like that. 10 root 3 comma root 3. That is what 9 root 3 or 7 root 2. Okay. Next one. Product of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. Example, root 2 and root 3. What? Root 6. Root 2 comma root 3. Root 6. What about root 2 and root 8? Is it possible? Root 2 and root 8. Is it possible or not? No. Because root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. We want irrational numbers. Are you okay now? We cannot make it root 2 and root 8 because root 8 into root 2 is root of 16. Question is, Ramsha, question is product of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. That means root 2 and root 3. What? Root 6. Root 4 and root 3. Root of 12. Root 5 into root 3. Root of 15. Like that. Now clear? Root 2 and root 3. Yes. Next is product is rational. Product is rational. Product is rational. Write first. Product is rational. When you multiply, we will get a rational number. Yes, just now I said no. Root 2 and root 8. Root 2 and root 8, what? Root of 16 is 4. Okay. So now, just go through this one now. Okay. Root 2 and root of 4. Root 2 and root of 4 is what? Root 2 into root of 4. No, root 2 into root of 4 is root of 8 is not a root of 8 is what? Root 8. It's a irrational number only. We need rational number. It is better root 2 and root 2. Okay, same number. Root 2 and root 2. But instead of better, write another number. It's better now. Root 2 and root 8. Root of 16. Right? Or root 50. Or root 50 and root 2. Root of 100. 10. Think about like that. Okay. No, listen. If we are saying root 2 comma root 2, root 3 comma root 3, root 4, root 5, comma root 5, it is okay. It is 100% correct. Okay, but better write different numbers. This is like root 2 comma root 2, root 3 comma root 3, root 5 comma root 5, root 7 comma root 7, like Tamil music, like that only. Most of the Tamil songs, 2 word only, lyrics, very easy, but also hit. Correct or no? Tamil guys, you can maybe notice that. Same word, like root 2 comma root 2. Maybe tomorrow they'll make a movie like root 3 comma root 3, 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 like that they make a song. Right? Okay. So okay, they said root 2 and root of 18, correct? Root of 36, it is 6. Okay. Okay, now clear now? Okay. So try now next questions. Okay. So we'll do next. Okay, right. Right. Find 6 rational numbers. Next. What's the question? Reader 1.36 question. I don't have reader now. Okay. You send me after this class, which is the doubt. Okay. I not reader is very simple actually. Nothing. There is no maybe 2 class enough to finish reader. Okay. Write this question. Find six rational numbers between. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Look at here. I'll show this one. Look. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, look at here. 3 and 4. What will you do now? You make it 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Okay, we need 6 number between 3 and 4. If you want, you can write directly 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, like that. No problem, no issues. Okay. Okay, then you write that multiply by 10, 30 by 10, comma 40 by 10. Right? Because multiply by 10. So we can add what? 31 by 10 or 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, 36 by 10. Okay, but this one very simple. So we can write directly 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, like that you can write, no issue. Okay, I just told the methods. Okay, write yourself now. Write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, write fast. Okay, what the Manasi asked the question, 13, I got the reader now. 1 point what? Which question? 1 point? 1.3, number question number 6. Oh, that is what, look at several examples of rational P by Q, P and Q terminating. Okay, that's you try yourself. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers with no common factors other than 1. Okay, like that 2, 2 by 3, having terminating decimal expansions. Okay, that you check it, like take 2 by 3, you divide it, 2 divided by 3, 4 divided by 7, like that. Okay, or 11 by 7, you divide it like that. That's easy one. Okay, so now write the question. Find 3 rational numbers. Find next one, right? Find 3 rational numbers. Find 3 rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. Look, find, listen here, find, listen again, find 3 rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. I'll show this one, don't write now. Okay. Okay, listen here, just wait. Look, listen, question is what? Find, no, don't write what I told you, Mansi, listen here. It's not 5.1, it is wrong. Okay, 5.1, how come? It is 5 by 5, it is 5 by 10. Okay, 5 by 10 is what? 0.5 only. Listen here, no, don't go like this. Hey, come on, wait. You multiply. Pranav, what I told you, listen here. Okay, you multiply with 10. 50 divided by 100, comma 6 divided by 60 divided by 100, like this. Okay, what? You multiply by 10. Okay, 50, 5 into 0, 50 divided by 100. Okay, then you can write many now. 51 by 100, comma 52 by 100, 53 by 100, like this enough. Okay. Okay. No need, just write, that's enough. No need decimal form. Okay. If your school saying, you write it. For me, no problem. Okay. Okay. So next one, are you okay? You just suppose if you want, suppose you want more numbers, you add here. Here we can write 51 by 100, 52 by 100, 53, 54, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, like that. Okay. Okay, if you multiply by 5, 25 by 50, that also no problem. Okay, if you multiply by 5, 25 divided by 50, then 30 divided by 50. So no problem. 26 by 50, 27 by 50, 28 by 50, up to you. Okay, that is not, there's no issues. Multiply by 3, will get or not. 15 by 30, 18 by 30. Okay. Come on, who told me this one? Vishwa. If you multiply by 3, you'll get 15 by 30, 18 by 30. Where is the 3 numbers? 16 by 30, 17 by 2 numbers only, no? Right? You sure? Answer me. Because between, look at here, between 10 to 15, which are the numbers? Between 10 to 15, which are the numbers? Come on. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. From 10 to 15, 15 not included, man. Dinesh, 15 not included. How come? Between listen again, between 10 to 20, that means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. From 11 to 15, what? Sorry, from 10 to 15. From 10 to 15, what? 10 and 15 included. No. Wait. Listen, once again. From 10 to 15, both are included. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sir, what happened to 11? Okay. From 5 to 10, listen all. From 5 to 10. From 5 till 10, that means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both are included. Between, okay, listen. Look at here. Suppose, look at here. I'll show this one. In a bench, A here, student B, C, D, E. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students sitting here in the bench. Listen all. 5 students sitting this bench. First student name is A. Second student B, C, D, E. Okay. From A to E, you are giving a gift. So you have to give A, B, C, D, E. Between A to E, that means B, C, D only. I hope clear now. Right? Okay, now come to our question. Come on. Right. Find 3 rational numbers. Right. Find 3 rational numbers. This is star question. Listen. Star 1. Find 3 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Find 3 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. I'll show this one. Okay. Find 3 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Look at here. Don't write now. Don't write. Don't type anything. Just listen here first. Okay. First of all, see, if the denominator is same, very easy, like 10 by 25 and 17 by 25. Very simple. 11 by this is 25. 10 by 25, 17 by 25, 11 by 25, 12 by 25. Like that, anybody can write. Okay. Who told in Naveen to find LCM and all? You listen here. Okay. Listen. First of all, you have to check whether the denominators are equal or not. If it is equal, for example, 30 divided by 33. Okay. 40 divided by 33. So simple. 31 divided by 33, 32 divided by 30, 32 divided by 33, 33 divided by 30. Like that we can write. That part okay now, right? I hope if the denominators are equal, clear now. Is it okay? Okay. If not, if the denominators are not equal, make it equal. Okay. So how make it equal? Listen here. You find the LCM of 7 and 11. So that is LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. Okay. So 5 by 7, you can write 77 here. How 7 become 11? Sorry. How 7 become 77? How this 7 becomes 77? We have to multiply by 11. Okay. Multiply by multiply, that means 55 by 7, 7 by 5 by 7 equal to 55, 55 by 77. Okay. Next one, 9 by 11 equal to 77 here. This one multiply by 7. 9 to 7, how much? 9 into 7, how much? 63. Okay, now 63. So 55 by 77, 63 by 77. Now we can write what? 56 by 77, 57 by 77, 57 by 77, like that we can write. Okay, this one, anyone want to explain? Hey, come on. Anyone have doubt? This is a star question. Come on. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Tell me now before starting the next question. No, I said rational numbers only. I said rational numbers. Irrational number you cannot write now. Okay. Irrational numbers, how we can write now? I told you to write 3 rational numbers. Okay. Anyone doubt? Come on fast. Tomorrow's number, I told you, no, only the number line plus ascending or descending order. That's only. Okay. Tomorrow's test is at 9 o'clock. Okay. Ascending or descending order. Write your name in capital. Listen, the test, your name should have in capital letter. Okay. And school. Otherwise, I won't check your paper. Okay. So, next question. Find. Next one, right? Are you okay now? This is clear now or not? Okay, then try find 4 rational numbers. Find 4 rational numbers. Find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Okay, try now. Okay. Yeah, that is any number. Any number you can write, no problem. Just follow the procedure. Okay. Okay, are you getting? Question is what? I don't know the question now. I changed the book. Okay, the question was 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. So LCM is 30. So 1 by 5 equal to 30 here, 6 by 30. Then 1 by 6 equal to 30 here, 5 by 30. But we need 4 rational numbers. Cannot find out 6 by 30, 5 by 30. So what we will do? 60 by 300 and 50 by 300. So the numbers are what? 51 by 300, 52 by 300. Like that you can write. Are you okay now? Okay. So next question, listen here. Write two irrational number. Write two irrational number between. Write two irrational number between 0.2 and 0.3. Write two irrational number between. Write two irrational number, not rational. Write two irrational numbers between 0.2 and 0.3. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Look, we can write 0.2 between 0.2 and 0.3. So 0.2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. Like this. Okay, keep it etc. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. If there is no etc., it is what? Rational number. Are you okay now? And don't write in order. Look, 0.2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. Like that. Clear or no? Because irrational, listen, irrational number, what? The expansion of irrational number is what? Non-terminating, non-repeating, right? Non-terminating, non-repeating. So should not write repeated one. Don't write 0.21, 0.21, 0.21, 0.21. No, not like that. Okay, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, we need one more number. You can write 0.2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then etc. If not etc., you will be in trouble. If there is no etc., that means it is an irrational. It is a rational number. Are you okay? You understood the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Once again, I'll tell you that. Okay, complete. You write this one. Okay, look at here. Listen out. How many zeros? It depends on how many zeros you get. That's only. Not in order. Look. Listen. No, dot, not etc. Look. Listen here. Come on. Once again, a rational. Listen. Listen all. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or repeating. Correct or no? Like 0.125 or what? 0.123, 123, 123, 123, like that. These are rational numbers. Irrational numbers problem is non-terminating, non-repeating, like 0.1000002300001 or 7778, like that going on. Not in any order. Not in any order. Non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay. So when you write between, now come to our questions. 0.2 and 0.3. Okay. You can write first number 0.21 because 0.2, then next is 0.21. Okay. Don't touch the 3. You will be in trouble. If you are touching 3, maybe it is after 3 only. So 0.21, 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, any number. 1, etc., etc., etc. Any number, no need 0 also. Next number 0.21, 0.22, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just writing only. Next number 0.3001, like that. Next 0.25, 6, etc., etc. 0.2931, like that you can write as you wish. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay, any idea how much the value of root 2 approximately? Any number you can write, any number you can write. Others, any number you can write, but should not exceed 0.3 and not less than 0.2. Clear now? My question, listen, my question, answer it. How much root 2 value, approximately value? Root 2. 1.4, yeah, 1.414, correct. Okay, better you by heart that. Listen, just for knowledge, listen, not now, Navani 0.4. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3, 1.732. You should know these values, okay? Root 2 is just approximate values only. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. Okay, my question, not that. Right. Write a rational number. This is star question. Star question. Right. Write a rational number. Write a rational number. Write a rational number between root 3 and root 5. Write a rational number between root 3 and root 5. Write a rational number between root 3 and root 5. Between root 3 and root 5. Sri Kumaran, Varnit, what you are telling? I told you root 2 is coming 1.4, root 3 is coming 1.7. How come 3.6 is coming between? Use the common sense. Varnit, how come 2 is there? Between 3 and 4, 6 is there? Use your sense. 1.7333 what? It is not a rational number. Better tell me exact one correct value there is. 1.414, 1.7333, 1.7333 is more than that, not in between. Sri Kumaran, you are again making no sense. 1.8, how come, man? Why all stupid? Listen, Sri Kumar, don't write all the stupid things today. Keep it something tomorrow. I'm talking about between root 2 and root 3. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. In between what? Who said 1.734? How come 1.734? It's more than no. Listen, between 2 and 3. How come 4 is there? Tell me one answer. Between root 2 and root 3. Between root 3 and S. Exactly answer is what? 1.5. 1.5 or 1.6. Then the best answer is what? 1.5, 1.6. There is no are there. Who this one? Again telling 1.47 and all. You're not listening here? Who this one? Other. You're not listening here or not? Okay, we finished the answer. Then one asks you what is the question, Midula? Why you asking some what the we finished already? Now ask you what is the question. Yes, my question is root 3 and my question is root 2 and root 3 only. No root 5. I didn't say root 5. No need Pranav. No need write 16 by 100. 16 by 100. You write then 16 by 1 million. Right? What? Why you want to say change like that? Okay, listen here. You follow exactly what I said. Root 2 is, listen, you should know. Root 2 is 1.414. Okay. So maximum, you should have a number more than 1.4. Root 3 is 1.7. In between only possible. Now my question is still here. Root 2 and root 3. I told you what? Write a number. Write and correct that question. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Between root 2 and root 3. So the best number is 1.5. Don't take more risk. Because root 2 1.4, root 3 1.7, in between 1.7. No, don't take 1.7. You'll be in trouble. Okay, 1.7, no problem. Okay, 1.5 is the best chance, or 1.6, or 1. Okay, listen here. The best value. Okay, don't take more risk. Okay, you take root 2 1.414. Root 2 value, 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. Okay, the best value 1.5 or 1.6 or 1.61. That's no problem. Are you okay now? Clear now? Okay, now tomorrow test at 9 o'clock, only ascending or descending order and construction. Okay. Any doubts?